The GOAT token is about to go live after many weeks and months of mining. And if you look at BitGate, you see 1 hour 56 minutes to go. And this token is going to go live for exchanges. What is the price of this token going to be? In this video, let's talk about the price prediction for the GOAT token and also the PAWS new quest that you need to do right now. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. In as much as it's very amazing for this very token to go live on major exchanges, and what is the price of this token is going to be, because we already know from the pre-market. If you go back and go to this very more section and you go to pre-market right at this very point, if you click on pre-market, it will take you to this very area. So we see the GOAT price right now at pre-market at 0.3082. So this 0.3082, if you look at it, it's dropping about 8.88%, although it's changing right now. Is dropping, and this drop actually means a lot to us, which is the past 24 hours. And what I am looking at is very, very different from every other person, because most time this very airdrop, especially play to earn that does not really have use case, will always dump immediately after listing. So what I am now paying attention to is, if you click on this GOAT, and it will take us to this very page. And if you click on overview, you discover we have just 20 billion GOATs. And I assume everything is going to be in circulation. In as much as some person are still staking their coin and some stuff like that, everything is going to be in circulation, which is the entire 20 billion token is going to be in circulation. And if you look at this compared to what most play to earn projects have been doing these days, is between $30 million market capitalization. Okay, so $30 million market cap and $50 million market cap. So don't expect much from the GOAT team. Okay, don't expect much from them. Don't expect anything that is above 50 million at listing. I'm not talking about maybe after 4, 5, 6 days. I'm looking at listing. So if you want to sell off, bring your expectation right down so that it will fall within this very area. However, I am looking at something very, very little than 30 million market cap for the GOAT airdrop right now. Why am I looking at this? Is because of the way this token is being distributed and the mechanism or the parameters they use in their token allocation. So from this very point, I believe this very token is going to move to the upside, because it has a very little supply, but at listing we are going to see that initial pump all the way to the upside, and then it's going to come back down. So what I am now looking at, which is very, very important, you need to pay attention to this, is that if we have a 20 billion token as max or total supply, and we have the current market price from pre-market at 0.308, that means a $16 million market capitalization is what we are looking at right now. So is this possible? Yes, it's possible. I believe so. It's possible, and market can begin to move upward, but I don't think they are going to put in this kind of liquidity for this very token right now or at listing. I believe something lower than this is what they're going to do, and then wait for the market to move upward. But remember, they already have staking ongoing. That means maybe few persons have staked their allocation, like myself. I've staked my allocation. So that means I'm not going to sell because the token is not longer in my possession. So many persons as well have already staked their token, which means we can see that initial drop a little bit, and the market will begin to move all the way to the upside, because there won't be that aggressive sell pressure. So with this 16 million, I think we should be focusing on something lower than this. I am looking at something below this, that is 0.006. That is a $12 million market capitalization. And then if that listing starts with 0.306 and then market can move all the way to 0.202, okay, which is a $40 million market cap, and 0.203. This is a possibility as well, especially in the heat of the bull market. Market can begin to move up to 0.205, giving a $100 million market capitalization. Remember, there is just 20 billion token that will be in circulation. So what that means is, with this price, you're going to get this very market cap of $100 million. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So look at the gold price to start with, 0.306. That is a $12 million market cap, or even below this, a 0.305 can also be a liquidity or initial liquidity for this very token at a $10 million market capitalization, which is going to give this very price. And then from here, market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside. Now, here is my little advice for you if you already have your goods token. Now, in as much as Bitcoin have hit $100K, it is wise for you not to just sell off your goods token right now, because there is this very initial or insane buy pressure coming into crypto right now, because Bitcoin just hit $100,000. And what that also means is, if you want to sell off, you should probably be selling your goods token at a very lower price, not at loss, because maybe you probably get it from airdrop. But if you wait a little bit, maybe in the next 1 to 3 months, and then you sell off, you're going to sell it at a better price, and then you remove the money from there and invest in other promising altcoin still in this very bull market. So my expectation is that maybe between February, March will be the best time to, sell off goods, and then look at other promising altcoins and also invest in that. Or you sell half between February, March, and invest in other altcoin as well. So this is very important. So don't expect so much from the good team. Just bring your expectation very, very low, and look at the price between 0.305 as the initial listing price, and market can begin to move from here up to 0.202, okay, which is going to give us a $40 million market capitalization with a 20 billion total or circulating supply. So this is what you must have to pay attention to on your GOAT token right now. Now, if you come to the GOAT mini app, you discover right now I have 0 because I stick all my token. If you come right here, I was given about 1049 token, GOAT token, and I stick for 90 days. And this is going to stay till around March next year. That's when it will be unlocked for me to sell off. And because I want to do this strategy, that is why I lock it for this very period of 90 days. If you are not on the PAWS airdrop, this is one of the airdrop I believe is going to pay. Link in the description of this video. Join right now. And I believe this airdrop is going to pay based on certain parameters that I have checked personally myself. And it does not really require unnecessary term transaction, except if you want to participate in voting. And that voting is not compulsory for everyone. It's just if you want to get more PAWS points, you can do the voting. So join this airdrop right now, and it's going to pay personally, I believe so. And if you come to this very end section, it's discovered that there is a new quest right here, and they say get paused. And if you click on this very tab right here, you see it's going to activate this very claim button. So if you're on the PAWS airdrop and you've not done this very quest, please go right there, do it right now. We have just 8 hours to go plus 45 minutes, 8 hours plus 45 minutes. And once you click that tab section, it will activate claim, and then I will just click claim right here. And this is so important because it's going to increase your PAWS points right at this very area. So this is a new quest. So if you've not done it, simply go to the end section. One of the reasons why I so much believe in the PAWS airdrop is because of the partnership with Bloom. The Bloom airdrop is one of the best so far. If you look at the token on pre-market, it's actually increasing at a rapid pace. I mean, the price is always going all the way to the upside. A token that have 100 billion total supply in circulation. Going up that much is a very unique sign that that token is going to probably do well when it comes to the live market. So take note of this very airdrop. Don't miss out on it and don't regret not participating in this very airdrop. So the link in the description of this video, join our Telegram channel. I will leave a link in the description as well. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for supporting this channel.